Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a scatter with straight lines chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to create a scatter with a straight line. At first, select data on your spreadsheet. Click and drag on your mouse. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Now I am go to the all chart and select the XY scatter. Now I am select the straight line with a scatter, then click OK. Now I am select the chart and go to the design menu. We can see here many design. You can add it or remove the design. You can change the color of the chart, otherwise add any color. You can add any element, otherwise you can remove any element, otherwise you can rename the chart title. Click inside the chart title and rename this. Now we can see we make a chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.